What is up guys, BeardedReality here. So today we're in Diggle and we're going to be doing the Standedge Tunnel. It's like 3 miles of tunnels and a bunch of things. So it's like 1 canal tunnel, 3 train tunnels, so we better not get caught because you know how trains are. But I hope you guys enjoy this. Do like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys deep in the dark tunnels. Raining. We are going to get soaked. Oh, where does this go? That's got to go to the... That's the library. Yeah, library train tunnel. Heck yeah. It's wet. This is super cool. You know, the catches. Train places are more like the prosecute than anywhere else. I was going to say it in defense. Right, so military trains and things, they are usually the ones that do it. This is where you can see like trains pass, look. Don't touch wires, ever.
That's literally the line.
Is that the line for the entrance?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Not many people will go on live tracks though, that's the point. I don't think many people will come down something like this. That's why I want to do more tunnel kind of things. And I want to do more underground things as well. What's down here then? Confined space. Permit to enter must be obtained. Okay. Oh, the canal.
Oh,
Has to be. Look. Wonder where that goes there. I wonder how deep it is. Maybe. Well, no, I'm trying to think like that. That's a lot of water's coming down there. No other water coming through. Unless it's a drain track. You know, we hear like fucking dodgy noises down here. We'll head back.
we'll head round this corner.
Give it a go. You can see there, it's all flooded and lovely. Another one down here then. MVL 14, 15 metres, so this is one of the tunnels then. This is actually surprisingly really big. To say this is the train tunnel though, I don't see tracks. Do you know what I mean? Unless they're... It's wet though. Hey, look. This is true. Like I said, even if it is abandoned, train lines still own it. So it makes it really, like I said,
Getting... about just like trains coming through.
Oh yeah. But getting caught's never the wisest in places like this.
Well, we've got 3 miles worth of running.
Yeah, you just be gone, wouldn't you? What's...
Did you see some light down there?
Eh?
See that light down
No,
there? It might have been the yellow behind you flashing, trying to get it over your head. So.
No, but it looked like somebody was going like that.
Oh, that might not have been me then.
That was just weird.
No, I can see that.
You can see that now, yeah?
It looks like it could be a reflection.
I don't know.
I can't see it.
Is this a straight tunnel?
Well, they all
If it's train
curve
tunnel,
off.
they don't
And
turn too much, do they?
it's gonna be a lot of darkness.
Could be an entrance, 3 miles though.
It's also got really, really quiet.
Yeah, didn't it?
Like
Well, it's quiet and dark.
even the drippings just stopped. That was like the only thing that we had.
Like to try and make this into some like decent footage.
Footprints here. You guys not been up here? Yeah.
No, not yet.
Not this far, no.
Oh, what's that?
Yeah, not coming back, are they?
Hello? Yeah, I've got a road leading up to
They look quite fresh though.
Yeah,
You can see.
watching them up. Yeah, you see that? Seriously.
You can fucking see how dark it is. It's just full of water. So we're gonna get fucking soaked.
Oh, there we go, some options.
Oh, there we go. Shoots, yeah. Oh, we're dripping again, okay. So, danger, no entry. I like these kind of signs. Oh shit. Why is this danger, no entry? Oh, that's weird. It's so quiet apart from the water.
Oh, that's a canal, like.
Yeah. Look at the way that the rock's been like formed out though. Do you see?
Yeah.
Look at that. That'll be a nice shot later when we come back. Look at that there, that's cool. It's kind of like one of those love tunnels. You know, like in the boats.
Yeah.
Float through. Maybe that's where they got their idea.
Click record when the wind sounds.
That's
Yeah,
it,
yeah,
yeah.
no entry.
Oh,
Oh, that's
Okay,
cool.
so can't get through that.
Oh shit. It don't go far down.
Looks like a pretty cool picture though.
definitely. Looks like the start of a cave, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What's with the see where the wind's going, look.
Yeah.
You guys ever played Metro?
Yes.
Yes. Well, it might go all the way down a bit, I don't know. Again, we'll go check these out on the way back. Hey, the guy from Metro might have had a fucking, must have had like a powerful fucking light. Can't see shit.
He did have a gun too though.
Cheer. Oh, this is creepy.
That's just literally a walkway straight through to the tunnel. Really what's windy in here.
Oh, shit myself a bit down there.
There's something down there.
What do you mean?
Right at the very end.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering earlier.
Yeah, but it's a different tunnel now.
Yeah. This is the other tunnel.
Oh, there should be a third tunnel alongside this, should there?
That's the circle of the water.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, and a lot of cable, isn't it?
Ah, they look like making a jump.
This is what I don't get. Like some sections like are flooding down. Look at that. Oh, fuck. So we're at the 540 mark. Oh, maybe excavated it because.
Just looks like maybe.
Well, this
a
has to be
dirt
the tracks, though, doesn't it? This
Yeah,
bit
this
here.
will be the track, but that'll be like drainage for the
Yeah.
tracks.
path. Yeah, right.
So why is that like that and then?
Oh, darling. Damn it.
A lot of them have been boarded off or bricked off, haven't they?
Yeah.
To be fair, that could have been like access for people, you know, working on trains and break down in tunnel. Like pedestrian tunnel down side.
Maybe. It's got to be Victorian a bit though. It's misty down here now.
It is weird.
Yeah, it's just got misty, look.
Your hooks.
Number 2.
That's That says 36 or 39. Different now though. Look. So each tunnel's slightly different to the other.
There is definitely. No, hang on.
That one felt good, yeah.
Look up there, James, seen talk about? Oh, like aware. There is definitely a light up there.
That's what I was saying, yeah.
Like it's lit on its own.
Yeah, we can see a light.
It looks like a candle or something.
Saying that though, if there's something down here, we've got quite a ways back.
Oh yeah, right there.
Oh,
Okay.
well that looks.
So wait, when does
Oh
it stop
shit!
being,
Look at that.
when does it stop being the train tunnel, and when does it start being the canal?
Don't know. They all link. Like they all literally link down. So. What the fuck is that?
I want to say wind.
I don't want to see it.
You were telling me that's the wind.
I want to say.
I want to see.
Sounds like fucking breathing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know when someone breathes out heaven.
Listen, listen.
How could that be the longest this one?
And well, it's probably not very good. I don't like that outside.
Has it stopped?
Yeah, we look up here, it's not going back to it. You know what it could have been?
Huh?
It could have been the train on a little flying track going back.
Definitely didn't sound like a fucking train.
It wasn't a wind video, I think it was
I don't know, through to the next tunnel.
I don't know, I kind of want to look at
Wait, hang on, we can see that thing that's lit up from both tunnels, so that means these two join. Like a bit further up
I
here.
don't know.
that. How's the got the wrong? Which one's this? Incoming, I've got it.
I don't know.
Right, so
I'm going to find out.
we just heard some kind of weird breathing thing. I don't fucking know. Could be wind. Doesn't sound like fucking wind. It's just a wind, Larry. Could be a train, but trains are significantly louder. Could be something falling into the canal. Because it doesn't sound like a fucking demon beast.
It was consistent though, it was like on time, like each last one.
Well, let's say it sounded like a breathing.
It's to the canal.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, right the way down.
Oh. Oh.
A door?
Looks like an old gate there.
Oh, yes.
Alright.
Oh, boy. It's nice knowing you guys.
Holy shit.
Do not enter down that bit.
That's part of the business, isn't it?
Yeah, that's part of the live bit. It's got a sensor, look. See it down there?
Yeah.
Green?
Oh, it's the fire escape for the canal, isn't it?
That's weird.
That is weird, imagine getting like boat sets on fire and you've got to run into this.
Gonna go in?
Leave that for in case we have to make a quick getaway. Just the fact that the lights just came on there, though.
Yeah, it did one. Hot knocked down there.
Another one.
Nah, it's different. So I kind of need batteries for this.
Oh, Why do they all say live railway tunnel when it goes to canal?
Because above it is the live railway tunnel. Oh, this is different. Just watch wires.
That's the actual railway. What did you do? What did you have lights? You get a video.
Oh, it's all boring.
Yeah, this is proper old, isn't it?
Oh, dude. That's the canal.
Yeah, the canal's below us.
That's sort of creepy though.
So this is the live railway track. Got a light down there?
Smell. There'll just be like bricks and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Step back off this one though. This walkway fits. Oh, fuck!
Alright. I thought you fell then, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh no! Oh, my head!
I just saw you drop really fast. Like, gosh, shit.
Good, there's nothing in it.
Yeah, I think I'll do that.
Oh, that's horrifying. It's knocking. There's knocking coming from down there.
Just maybe we've been hearing it all this time.
It's coming from in there.
Stop.
Oh.
Yeah.
Someone else set that light off.
Off you go.
Yeah, you won the picture, yeah.
What the fuck is that noise?
Hold on.
This is the fun side.
Open that.
Definitely come from in there. Why has the light gone off?
Oh my god, I don't know.
Why didn't the light come back up? There we go.
Why is it doing that?
The lighting's getting a bit better down this way now.
It is, and that's a little bit concerning.
Just because even less air, more tighter.
Yeah.
Because obviously the tighter it becomes, the more we're going to be able to see.
Yeah. That little one off. Oh, right, yeah, that's the connection goes on.
Stick together for light sources then.
Oh, only says 2020 on it.
A repair maybe?
Ooh. Why is repair in 2020 though?
Maybe there's a hole that leads to the upground, to the actual tracks. But I'm sure they'll pass the above it as well. To be fair, there seems to be quite a few repairs made to the actual tunnel. It's so misty down here. like proper. Where's he gone? Ah. Well, you can see the mist in front of you. Plus, like, everything's amplified as well. I'm looking for like hidden access points. You picking anything up on that?
Yeah, it's picking you up. Keep my torch on you.
So this is like the LED tactical police dogs, yeah?
Uh-huh.
Fucking dying. They've been extra batteries, so if I can do them, they're tiny. Unless it's just a paint compartment, but I don't think it is. Because these were significantly older with the cement as well.
Even that one back there, just a 2012 one as well.
Yeah. Well, 2012 maybe the brickworks, like the brickworks, Halifax.
Yeah.
Possibly. That's where you saw some bricks. Look at that crowd. I'm hoping, like, a lot of the access to this point, as I can say, is blocked off, isn't it?
Yeah, on the right hand side.
So that has to be part of like an older tunnel. Has to be.
Well, they usually do that, don't they? Build rail lines right next to old ones.
Yeah. So you never know, hopefully we can find one that leads to really one of the older parts. I've noticed that I'm not really finding twists to the other one. 75. So I wonder what that looked like, like an old house one. You know what I mean?
Could have been. When were these built?
I don't know. It's Victorian though.
Yeah?
So it has to be 18th, 19th century. No, it won't be 18th, it'll be 19th century. So.
Imagine all the people that died like working on it as well.
Yeah.
Actually in this tunnel.
Well, imagine like most hypothetical tunnels would be between 1860 going on to 19 whatever, yeah? Depending on when they were actually constructed. So because some of these are newer, but then again, I don't know, it depends on the collection. I'll have to look into it. But they're definitely big now. Oh. What there?
Give it a knock.
That's the old plastic. Old plastic, that's board. Wood. Stick there. So what board and plastered out? You hear that?
I heard something.
Hello?
That's a weird echo, that.
Hello? Is it me you're looking for? That's a cool echo. It's right at that point there that separates the tunnels now. So it goes like, there's some kind of air thing for you to drive. That's why it lasts 81. Oh, there we go. Not bothered that.
Number 6 there.
Where's that one like that? That's the first one we've seen like that, because it gets odd as it goes on, I think. Which doesn't seem right if you think about it. The oldest part should be,
Well, it depends what side you started from. Like. I've got a nice picture of Jeremy's house here.
Hey, I got one of ambience.
what's that?
Oh. Hello.
Highlights. Big rock. Oh, look. You gotta remember, there's 3 train tunnels and 1 canal. So maybe it's 1 live, 2 old. Hello?
That was such a weird.
Did you hear that one?
Yeah. That goes for ages, you know.
Is it? Try that one again. There's a light down there. Hello? What do you want? I'm gonna get you!
This is where like a crackhead runs out from under a knife in it. That goes white.
This way. You got slow, watch your head.
Yeah.
Let's just go back to the live one because you got canal here. Oh shit, be careful on that one. Be careful on that.
Roger that. Yeah, it has to be the live one. A bird?
Yeah, but.
We haven't seen a dead bird in a while.
Back up to normal eyes, look. If we go actually to the nearest phone and see signs on the wall. Fair enough. That's one thing I don't get with this. You know, all the. Unless it's stones coming from the track, that's just built up over time. A lot of them have fucking these little black stones about.
I have no idea. What the fuck?
Okay?
Yeah, that's a paw print.
Paw?
Yeah, an actual paw print.
That time was like some kind of weird wall that stalks the train tracks of dig.
Oh yeah. I think it's just because of the access that people are actually going to climb up.
Yeah, but like even for natural rubbish, climbing down, you still get little things. Well, yeah. There you go, I got it. There you go. There's no entry. 209. That's like a drop down there.
That's like it looks.
I can open it on this way.
Yeah, I felt that back there. Near the tunnel.
Oh, it's wind. So look at the water. Right, where's that coming from? Oh, it is windy. Oh my god. Train! Oh, this is cool.
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
Wait, where are we now?
I have, well, we're next to the live chat, but like, this is not the canal. Wait, where does that go? Where does that go under?
That's the track. Oh, look up. I know, that's what I'm saying.
Ah!
I think it's very well.
Hello! Oh, it goes all the way to the top. Wait, wait a second, there's live lights up there.
I think that's outside. I mean, it's not the hill water.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, hit the mouth, bring it off.
Yeah, we're getting into this.
Oh, it's an emergency eye wash station.
Hey, Jimmy, you need your eyes washing. What's that?
Sardine.
Oh man, damn. Oh wow.
I won't go much further, I'm just thinking.
There's a lot of water coming down, isn't it?
It is. What's that?
Yeah, shit, it is.
It's like maintenance or something else.
Yeah, it's definitely a fireplace.
Oh, whoa.
Oh my god.
That's part of the old one, all that.
Yeah.
Buckets and stuff, paint. I wonder if that guy's. Can I hear that? Stick your head in there and have a listen.
That's what was convincing.
No, you can hear something. Like it's. There's an old brush here as well.
You can, it almost sounds like an old train.
There's a pot noodle there.
And a fog. I wonder if it's in dirt. What shot away from like last
That's
week?
solid, that's melted, isn't it?
Yeah.
Long gloves. Yeah. I don't like when you go to the woods and you just hear like waterfalls and shit and nothing else.
You don't expect it a train to go.
Yeah.
Nice. I'll just get rid of this hole in the wall here. It's not cool, man.
I think it'll get better as we go further down.
Hey.
Yeah. Like I said, there's access, that's not catwalk that. See? All graffiti. So, I don't know how much of this footage I'm going to use. I'll edit it down to make life a bit easier for everybody. Because like nobody wants to watch like fucking 7 hours of tunnels. However, I hope you guys are enjoying this so far. It's definitely a different type of explore for me. So yeah. So especially, I'm gonna have to look into even more powerful lighting for this kind of thing, I think. That's a different type of tunnel. That goes like straight down. Dry as well. Oh, hello. Is that a sweater? That's somebody's old sweater. It's like an old...
Is evidence of this destroyed?
Just an old sweater. So that's what does that say, 36,000 or 36,100?
36 foot in the area. Oh, that looks like surveying there.
Deep though.
Thank you. Aha.
Well, I like the way that this kind of curves actually. You know, if I move like that, guys, you're gonna feel sick.
I can stand up in this stuff.
I hope this is going to be okay. We've already been like fucking ages, I think.
I don't know. She texted me and then I just checked my phone and I've got no signal, so I can't reply. I had signal up to about the point where she texted me.
Yeah.
I just want to know what that light is. I don't really want to walk 3 miles if it's just the other end.
Let's run it. That's cool. Got a live box here. 94. That's just gonna be, oh fucking hell. That doesn't, yeah, it looks like it doesn't dip down as much there.
Yeah.
Well, it has to be the connect. Have you noticed how we haven't found one going that way?
There was one. Oh, no.
There was one back there, it was like number 7. One of the smaller ones.
But I mean, like, in terms of going to the right side, there's not as many.
But then we've got one here that's boarded up.
That's what I mean, a lot of them are boarded up.
I guess that other tunnel's just literally not used then.
Well, these ones aren't used anymore, obviously, but
They'll probably be helpful for like repairs on the actual live rail tunnel.
there we go.
Yeah, that one.
Can we try him?
I feel safe when it's very close.
Sounds in here, man. It sounds like it's fucking going gas.
When you start hearing a horn,
Yeah.
Uh-huh. There we go. See, that's the really weird thing.
What is that?
that's like all the balls.
That's really weird thing. If you look back all the way down there now, lights off. That's how far we're gonna go to get back.
It doesn't look like we've come that far.
That's what I mean. It looks like it's so close by, but it's not.
No. Is that slowly getting bigger, that? Oh. I think it is, actually.
100.
No, we've definitely come past 100.
No, that was just 100 man.
Ah, right.
Yeah, just on these ones, sorry, not the
Oh, look at the old lights.
Huh?
Old lights.
Oh, yeah.
turn on that.
Nah, too old for it.
That's it, audio.
What the fuck is that?
You see that?
Is it? What are those lights?
It's a bat.
Is it?
Yeah,
That was just moving.
I just saw some eyes.
That thing was just moving, that's a bat.
Charlotte now. I mean, down.
Yeah.
Look at that fucking.
What's that, dude? What was that? Jesus Christ.
It's like a fucking heartbeat. Amplifying unit.
Yeah, you saw it, right?
It's really good thing.
Yeah,
Was
so
it like sparks or something?
there's water there.
Water? Hold your eye there now.
It could have been the way that light torches were shining on it.
I don't know.
That's odd.
Someone's left the audio on.
Ah, there people. Ah! Ah! No, it's just a... Oh!
Jamie, grab my hand, very fast.
Oh, the train! Oh, here we go! Hey!
I got a bit of it, I didn't know which way we were coming from.
Fucking bolted down here. Oh, lovely.
Let's go. Yeah, it's all wired as well. All strength.
You're gonna bother me out here.
Yeah, that's what we're in, man.
Be right. Oh yeah, let's go. Right.
I don't know what called it, right there.
Yeah, the ledge there you can go on. Really nice. Danger shot. What do you get by so you guys can get in?
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm not going on that.
Ooh. Huh. Like the woods. Ow! Ah! Yeah. What? Hey, this is pretty cool. I wonder if I can get around this other side bit. Yeah. It kind of goes up. Uh-oh. My bag's pushing me off slightly. I'm trying to move this rock, but I don't want to drop the GoPro and Oh, don't do it. Don't splash really loud. Oh, it's too heavy, man. Oh, shit.
Oh, you sure?
Oh, no, shit. Tell that.
You reach out.
Oh, God.
You're fine.
I just realised I'm pushing this rock where my foot stood, and the whole thing's going.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of
This crack.
dust and stuff in.
No, it's the whole thing's crack. Like the rock's crack. Must be getting fat. Ah, shit.
Tell me that wasn't down.
No. Got that on film as well.
Get this shit out. Mick Cannery's super skull, I don't even know. Train?
Yeah.
Look at this though. All this monster mash. Alright, somebody's called this bit the grotto. Nix. What's that?
Look like an archaeologist in this picture I got you then.
What?
Not like an archaeologist in this.
I wish. See that?
Oh, that we used to like hold the tracks down, wasn't it? Hold the wood down.
These pieces though, like they're big. Yeah, there's loads of it. So they must have been mining this bit down here at some point. Leading straight to the canal. This is where we want our shot. Ooh! Oh, don't do that. Oh, it leads straight down to the fucking canal.
That's right there.
Oh, dude, that's fucking cool. You know, I'm gonna get a picture of this rickety old thing.
Yeah,
on
but
straight across, Jack, very quick.
look at that though.
He's sturdy enough though.
No, but somebody's moved that for some reason onto that. I think that's for the shot though, maybe. I thought that was light. Green light down there.
Yeah, look, it's one of these old buckles from train tracks.
Ah, yeah.
Last one.
I think I might stick this stick around there and get a picture.
He fell then.
Nah. You hit the screen. A big splash.
Fancy
see the
change
light?
of scenery.
Yeah, orange light down
I
there.
don't know if that's a good thing though or not.
It's really
No, it's
nice.
just, again, they're just markers for train drivers, I think.
Yeah, until we get to the next tunnel. But I think we'll have to make it quick now.
That's gonna take forever. Fucking tape is no way, no. I'm shaky.
Off. Here comes the train, homies. Oh, it's so windy!
Oh, that's fucking flying in the face.
Oh, get her! Come on! So, that is the Standedge Tunnels. I hope you guys enjoyed this. A different kind of explore, lots of fun with the trains and whatnot.